Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a vertical blind kit. So as you can see, I have too much sunlight in this room and I'm gonna be installing a blind kit over this door. So here's the box with everything we need. It's a 3.5-inch vertical blind kit that I purchased in Home Depot, and it has really nice texture, so I really like it. And let's open the box and see what we have inside. So this box already comes with old hardware that you don't need to buy anything else. And as you can see, my box is too long, so I couldn't fit it inside of my camera frame, but I will show you everything what we have inside of this box. And here is the head rail. We have louvers here. So this is the size. We have a valance returns. This is the hardware box, manual, and the valance. And I'm gonna start with making marks where I'm gonna be installing mounting brackets. Let's open the hardware box, and we have mounting screws here, mounting brackets with adhesive tape. So you can just remove a protective layer and stick it to a wall, so it makes a job much easier, and you can start securing a mounting bracket to a wall with a screw. I'm trying to secure a second screw, but as you can see, I cannot reach it enough. And I don't want to break a mounting bracket, so I tried using a screwdriver, and it is really difficult. And so what we can do is we can use an extension bit, which will help us to reach this screw. So let's try it, and it should work perfectly awesome. And if your kit doesn't come with mounting clips attached to your mounting bracket, attach them and tighten screws. As I said, if you have right tools, you can do this job much faster. Insert the head rail with angle facing the window, hook in with the bracket front, then push it upward to snap it into the bracket. And I'm inserting the first louver. and the first one is in place. And now it's time to install valance. These are valance clips, and we need to attach them to a headrail and try not to break them because they are very fragile. And I am attaching them almost on the same place where I installed mounting brackets. So now it's time to install valance, but first we need to assemble valance returns, and it's pretty easy work. Just squeeze valance return and push it in the valance return connector. So it is very easy. And attach valance to valance plastic clips. And when you attach valance to a valance clip, just squeeze it a bit and let go. And that's it. Congratulations, and you installed your first blind kit. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.